Hi guys, this is architect Arunabh here, yet with another video. This project is made in Sarjapur, Bengaluru, and this has been made for about 3,200 rupees per square feet. This is a very beautiful project with all the interiors made in-house by the Enaki 99 consultants. So please do watch it, subscribe down there, please do like the video, and if you like the design, please do share. So here we are at Sarjapur. As you enter this house in a beautiful serene way, this has been designed in a French way, and as we go in we are received by tasteful colors such as white and brown, and we have used a lighter shade in order to keep it slow. This is the drawing area where we have this WC that is been attached. This bathroom has been used naturally lit through the hazed windows, and this is a complete washroom. We come out to the kitchen area. This is the small kitchen. We try to incorporate each and every facility that has to be provided, and as we go to the side, this is a sunlight that has been created. This is a sun pocket that is coming throughout in order to keep it lit. As this house has been made as a row house, so both the sides of the houses are being preoccupied. This is the access stairs, and to the left of it is the guest bedroom. This is a guest bedroom with light and textured walls. The whole interiors has been done by Enaki 99 consultants, and it has been personally made in order to incorporate the style and the touches of a French design. As we go up, these are the wooden stairs, wooden railings that lead to the first floor. The first floor is where the two bedrooms are. This is the receiving part. We have a washroom over here, and this is the bedroom, that a small bedroom that can be a children's bedroom, that is here. And in here it has been incorporated such as the most of the storage could be used. But when we go out to the master bedroom, now this master bedroom is where this WC area, this is the washroom, common washroom, and it has been naturally lit. This is the part where the sunlight is there, so sun pocket is there, and this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has been made using the French style, and this is the work of stone at the background which has been used. And as you can see, the whole area is a very big, and more access of light has been provided. These are the glass wardrobes that has been provided. As we go inside, this is the master bathroom. This has if you have seen how we design things, you can contact us here at Enaki 99 Consultants by calling at the number given in the description down there. Please do subscribe it and let us know how you felt about the design. If you have the need to contact us to know the estimates on how we built it, please do call us, and within the working hours, it's Monday to Friday, and it's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. so please do contact us then. Have a nice day, and please do share this video.